Hi, this is Christy again, and here's a few more tips for multiplication. We went over our sixes, and I told you I would tell you one more way to do it, but it's got that sing-song rhyme to it. So 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 8 is 48. I did find that some of my kids still didn't know if I did 6 times 4, they didn't know that it was a 20. And so the way that we can, this looks complicated, but it's not, that we know what the tens number is 6 times 4. We're actually going to take half of the 4, and that's going to be our first number, which is a 2. And then you just bring the 4 down, so it makes it 24. So 6 times 6, we're going to take half of the 6 is 3 for that tens column, and then we bring our 6 down. And 6 times 8, same thing, half of the 8 is 4, and bring the 8 down. So this might help some of the kids. All right, and I talked about the 9s. We want to get our kids really strong this way, or at least introduce them to this mental math way for 9s before we show them the fingers, because we don't want our 18-year-olds using their fingers if possible. So 9 times 8, I tell my kids that we have to drop down one number for the tens column. So drop down one number to a 7. So it's going to be 70 something, and the two numbers added together equal 9. So it's 72. All right. Now there's one other cool math trick for 11s, and it's called split and add. We know that anything times 11 is that number written down twice. So if we have 11 times 4, it's going to be 44. But when we get up into the upper numbers, when we have 11, and I'm going to do this upside down, 11 times 10, I tell the kids anything times 10, you just add a 0 to that number. So we're going to take our 11, we're going to write it down, and we're just going to add a 0 to the end of it. So 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 11, we're going to do this split and add. So we're going to take the number and we're going to split the numbers apart, and then we're going to add those two numbers together, and we're going to write a 2. So our answer is 121. We're going to try it again. So 11 times 12, we're going to split the number that's actually multiplied to 11 apart. So we're going to split the 1 and the 2 apart, and then we're going to add those numbers together. So the 1 and 2 equal 3. So our answer is 132. Really cool trick. We'll do it one more time. They really only need to know up to 12. So 11 times 13.
You could do like 11 times 45.
And I don't know if it'll work with that. But 11 times 13, we're going to split the 13, 1 and a 3, and then we're going to add them together, and we're going to get 143. So this is another cool trick. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.